ice chilled milk.
First, we will peel the banana like this side. We will need this piece later, and we put this piece into the blender.
Okay.
First, we add some milk. Now we add a 1 spoonful of peanut butter.
One slice,
And the other side.
2,
And the other side.
3. Okay.
Now let's make it.
What are we making?
We are making a design on this glass of banana.
Okay.
We will use this peanut butter because we have tried to stick this banana slice so it's stuck. So we
Okay.
will use peanut butter.
So what next?
Next we are going to make some ears here. We are going to make some meat for the nose. Now we are going to use banana slices to insert. Good.
Bus. Very pretty.
And we cut it with a knife. Now we're going to make eyes. We will take this chocolate, brown chocolate.
Hmm.
And now we will take some peanut butter, very little bit, and I take this much and we put it,
Make eyes.
and it looks like a pig now. And now we put one more. Much. I think this will work. Take out one. And now we are going to add some banana smoothie.
Bus.
It is good.
Oh, Miley, no! It's nice you can eat bananas as well as drink it. Eating and drinking both. Is it yummy?
Mm.